How to measure and install a SecureView security screen to an OX Wunderlich window. For this old window, we need to put our thinking caps on. Most modern Windows security screens had not been invented when these windows were designed. The method of install is based on our drop-in fit. Face fixing is also a good option, but this client wanted a flush-fitted screen. The drop-in method is it. To achieve this, side extrusions with at least 8mm of screen overlap will need to be created. We do this by installing a 12x12 trim angle to the mullion side while twisting the screen into the existing receiver side. The mullion side of the screen is fixed off internally, while the receiver side is fixed externally using security screws. Let's see how this is done. To find the width, place the measuring tape inside the receiver side channel. There is a small fin which you need to measure from. Tip: do not measure from the base of the receiver channel. Measure across to the mullion lip for a width of 870mm. We deduct 1mm from this size to allow for any out of squareness that happens with these older windows. When measuring the 12x12mm trim angle, measure from inside the top channel to the sill, 1479mm. Deduct 1mm for this piece of cut length. The top channel has that same fin as the receiver channel. Measure the screen height from the bottom edge of that fin down to the sill, 1458mm. We'll deduct 3mm from this opening size to allow for some water drainage and out of square. The drop ordering size is 1455mm. Tip: pay attention when measuring inside channels, so you measure where your window screens are going to sit. Install the screen into the receiver side channel and twist the screen up into the top channel. When the screen is up as hard as possible, push it into the lower part of the receiver side channel and then up over the sill at the mullion side. If you've measured correctly, the window screen should be tight, but it should still slide into place. Once the screen is in place, push it slightly across towards the mullion so it's seated. Fix off externally using 9.5mm security screws, starting at the receiver side and then across the top. Tip: we use Austral triple lock cable to pull the screens towards you while fixing. This lessens the chance of getting a gap between the lip and your screen. From inside, position the 12x12 trim angle and fix it to the mullion using 4 self-tapping screws. Tip: space these evenly apart. To finish the installation, fix through the angle into the screen from inside. We recommend using security screws, even though they are internal fixings. Make sure there is a small gap across the bottom of the screen for water drainage. Want to become a Starline Security Dealer? Contact us for more information.